What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be making a little thumb dagger. This one is based off of an example found after one of the world wars. They found someone had taken a broken bayonet tip. I'll pop pictures up, and they made it into something similar shape to this. This one's a little bit different. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So let's get to it. Alright, y'all. This is the finished product. I didn't show sewing that clip on there. I'm not really happy with how I attached it. I'll be doing the next one differently. This is the prototype. But here we go. This is our thumb dagger based on the World War I or World War II. I'll pop it up on screen. I can't remember at the moment. The thumb daggers that they would make out of a bayonet. They would chop the end off, make one of these, and then they'd take the other end and make their fighting knives. Short blade with, it's the ones you'd always see with like the brass knuckles implemented into the handle and all those. Those were made. They weren't just factory made, they were handmade for the purpose. So I thought that was pretty cool history to learn. But yeah, let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Like I said, this is just the prototype. We'll be working on the design a little bit, refining it. I did get this thing really, really sharp though. So, yeah. This sheath right here is kind of for putting on a boot. So it's this little clip is like, it's like an ulti clip, the way it ratchets down. Or it kind of clamps down. So I figured it could slide on a boot real easy. Or your pocket or whatever. But yeah. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Don't forget to drop a like on the video if you enjoyed. And subscribe to the channel if you're new here and you're enjoying this kind of content. We're on the road to 500 subs. And at 500, we're doing a giveaway. I'll be announcing what's in that giveaway here soon. Y'all stay tuned. Thank you all very much for watching. Until next time. Peace.